On this chilly first night, several fires in our area keeping firefighters busy tonight. Crews just put out a fire in East Bexar County in the 6700 block of Montgomery Drive.
The night team's Jesse DeGollado joins us live now from the scene. Jesse, we're hearing the fire may have been caused by fireworks.
Exactly. In fact, fireworks may have been to blame for this fire, for this house catching on fire. Now, that's according to the homeowner, Tony Garcia, and his son, Tony Jr. Now, they tell me that the roof had been damaged by an EF0 tornado back in February, and so as a consequence, they had a tarp, a plastic tarp on the roof for protection. And so they think that's the plastic tarp may have caught fire when some bottle rockets landed on that tarp, and so they believe that's how the fire actually started. Now, the couple did get out. Mr. and Mrs. Garcia did get out, but sadly their little puppy, who they'd brought in out of the cold, did not. However, there were no injuries otherwise, and all this is preliminary information, certainly, until we hear more from the San Antonio Fire Department. We're reporting live here on the northeast side. Jesse DeGollado, KSAT 12 News.